Hi guys, Mr. M here, Beast Double Arrow. I hope you guys had a lovely weekend. Yes, and we're back. Let's start the trading week fresh. Okay. Um, Alright, so we currently in 90 pips in the minus, as you guys can see. 95 pips in the minus. Okay, we got 15 trades running here. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, alright, and as usual, we got a live account running. Okay, not a demo. We're running in a live account. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna pause this video. Okay, and I'm gonna bring you guys an update. Alright, whether win or lose. Okay, I'll definitely bring you guys an update. So I'm gonna pause this video and then chat to you guys later. Okay, Mr. M standing by. Chat to you guys later. Ciao. Hi guys, Mr. M here. We're back with an update. Okay, so we're currently running in 119, 17, 15 pips. Okay, I cannot make this up, guys. I cannot make it up as live in front of you. Okay, I think I'm gonna start closing the trades now. Okay, I think we got in about here. What time was that? I think we got in around about here this morning. Okay, so it took quite a time, okay, to run into profit, but we need to be patient, guys. In trading, you must have patience, okay, and we trust our software, okay. We're still in 15 trades. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Date and time, as you can see at the bottom here, is the 30th of the 5th, 2022. Okay, so, and yes, live account, live. Okay, so if you have confidence in your software, okay, like I do, okay, like I do, I'll open 15 trades at a time. I'm not scared, guys. As you guys can see, 15 trades open here. Alright, so currently 124 pips, 122 pips in the profit. Okay, you can go verify this on your own chart. Okay, I invite you to go check your own charts and go see how this trade played out. For you can see it for yourself. Okay, and you can be the judge of it. All right, but for me, I think 127, 130 pips. Okay, as you can see, the market is still going. I think I'm gonna start closing my trades now. All right, I think 125 pips is perfect. Okay, 125, 135, 132. I'm happy with that. We're not greedy. We know when to close our trades. So yeah, patience, guys. Patience. You must have patience in trading. You must have patience. If you don't have patience, we don't have patience in trading, unfortunately, I must share with you, you're not gonna make it. Okay. So for me, I'm gonna start closing in front of you now. Let's close that one. So 109 pips. I'm happy. Okay, let's close that one. And yes, live account. Okay, let me start closing. Okay, let me start closing. Yes, we're closing all our trades. Like I say, guys, you must have a lot of confidence in your software to open up 15 trades at a time. Okay, I'm not saying all my trades is profitable. No, it's not. Okay, I do have losses. Okay, but to start off with the Monday, I had a very good run. Okay, and yes, we don't overtrade, guys. We don't overtrade. Okay, we definitely don't overtrade. Okay, because greed, as we know, greed kills accounts. Okay, so I'm happy with my profits. There, all the trades closed, as you guys can see. And yeah, I'm just a bit concerned here, this bounce here. Okay, yeah, that's a bit of a concern for me there, that bounce. So yeah guys, so enjoy the rest of the Monday. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning with another video. Okay, this is Mr. M standing by. Ciao for now.